Yes, sir. We back. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the bando. Yeah, we back with some heat, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. We got some heat for y'all niggas. I mean, what's new though? Got the motherfucking fireman after me. Stay pulling up on YouTube with some heat. Now this shit set ablaze, you dig? With this drip shit, man. You feel me? You already niggas know. I say you already niggas know. You niggas already know. I'm putting words together now. Fuck it, I'm so ahead. I'm putting words together now, saving time and shit. You heard? But yeah, man, some new Ricky drip. Keeping the page lit. This jacket is crazy though, y'all. Look at this shit, man. It's the neck right here. Keep a nigga warm for any type of storm, you feel me? I pop this bitch. You feel me? I pop this. It's a little vibe right here. I pop that, just loosen up. You know what I mean? I get in the spot, I wanna loosen up. I get in the spot, I wanna loosen up, champ. I pop that. It's a little crop top vibes, pause. You feel me? Ain't nothing really gangster about a crop top, but I'm telling you, this jacket fire, my nigga. Like, it's fire, like. It's just look, see how the sleeves is regular vibes. Then I pull out, pause. There's more sleeves, my nigga. There's more sleeves, gang. Like, it's just when I'm on fashion, like, sleeves come out extendo. You feel me? Flip it around to the back. Buttons on the sleeves, you feel me? Buttons on the sleeves. It's just when I'm on fashion, my nigga, I want to show a bitch this shit different, you feel me? She like, what kind of jacket this is? I like it. You know how these hoes be coming, my nigga, like, they like everything. Look at the back, though, you know what I mean? Hang this shit up somewhere. Let a motherfucker admire it, like. Keep an eye on it, though. They gonna want this motherfucker. Niggas gonna try to book you for this thing, my nigga. You feel me? Look at the sleeves, though. Just when you thought it was enough. Hold on, before I get into this shit way too far. What y'all niggas think about this nigga Gunner, though, man? Y'all niggas think that boy telling? Put a 1 in the comments if you think Gunner telling. Put a 2 if you think, nah, he ain't telling. It's just some old legal shit and whoop-de-whoop, whatever y'all trying to call it. But do that for me. I want to see what type of time y'all on. But back to this jacket, you know what I mean? So, this the motherfucking shoulder right here, gang. So if I pop this right here on the shoulder, I could turn this bitch into a vest, you feel me? I turn this bitch into a vest, my nigga. So I'm telling you, like, this jacket is so tough. It's a lot going on. It get confusing. I know, but I could turn this shit into a vest, bro. You feel me? Word, man. But let me give y'all niggas some more authenticity. Cause I had a couple jokers, a couple clowns coming to my page talking about the drip fake. Like, y'all niggas sound silly, man. Y'all sound goofy as shit. I don't really like calling niggas broke, you know what I'm saying? Cause you could be rich today, broke tomorrow. You could be broke today, rich tomorrow. Like, this shit a up and down type of thing. It's all how you manage your money, you feel me? But back to the goofies in my comment talking about shit be fake. One thing about the drip shop, bro, if we buying some Rick Owens, we going to Rick Owens. You feel me? We going directly. All of these motherfuckers got stores, so we going directly to the store, gang. You feel me? If I'm in some Louis, it came straight from Louis, nigga. Like, so you ain't never gotta worry about, am I bringing fake drip to the net? Like, you sound stupid, gang. Like, why the fuck would I come with fake? And mind you, this say 2021. Let's go to shit. I told y'all, nigga, I don't know if I said it already, but I had this shit like a year ago. When y'all get the IG and shit, it's no cap in my rap. You gonna see the pic posted like a year ago, you feel me? But nigga, y'all niggas some more authenticity, like, there's some tags for that ass, you feel me? You feel me? But real niggas know, bro, like, it's for the goofies that ain't on shit, that they want some money in the pocket. let y'all niggas see how the drip shop coming, but there's definitely some money in that pocket. You feel me? Man, that's nice. That's nice, because I ain't wear this jacket in probably 6 months. But, other details, man. There's so much details to this shit, bro. And like the Rick OWENS pockets, these shits is wild deep, you feel me? Wild deep, man. Overall, this shit is just a good jacket, man. I recommend y'all niggas buy it. I don't necessarily got the name right now, but I'll put the name in the description. It's a Rick OWENS jacket, but Rick OWENS, he usually, all these shit's got a name. You feel me? A little bit more authenticity for you goofies talking about shit be fake. Rick OWENS on the back of the zipper. Let me see if I get this bitch to focus. Yeah, Rick OWENS on the back of the zipper. You feel me? Stop coming to my page with that silly shit, because I'm going to talk about y'all niggas too, man. Y'all just ain't going to come here getting away with that bullshit. And before we go, y'all niggas think Tory shot Mag, man. One in the comments you think Tory shot Mag. 2, you think he ain't shoot her, throw a 3. Throw a 3 in there if you think a homegirl shot her. This shit is twisted. And sub by the game, we trying to go live on this shit, man. We trying to go live, you feel me? I need 1,000 subs. I'm at like 312 on this one, man. 312. They say 80% of the motherfuckers viewing my shit ain't even subbed up. That's crazy. I think it's like 89. Y'all niggas doing me dirty. Bringing y'all this high-end drip, which y'all not gonna get anywhere else, man. But, yeah, I know my video quality's trash, nigga. I don't do no fancy thumbnails, none of that shit, nigga. You feel me? My niche is I got the hottest drip, some of the hottest drip, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all some fire ass Rick OWENS pants in this next one. I might do this shit back to back. I be getting lazy fucking with this YouTube shit, but I'm gonna keep it growing, keep it going, you feel me? For the niggas that do come to see this shit. One hand bandit, I know you can't stand it. This shit taking a while long. But yeah, One Stop Drip Shop unboxing in the bando. Fire ass Rick jacket. I'm gonna put the name in the title. You feel me? Player had to stay ahead. Where y'all niggas I hate saying this shit, but man, hopefully y'all do it, man. Like, comment, share, sub up, fuck with a nigga, man. Real niggas do real things. We about this shit.